2014 to 2019 Toyota Tundra 14.6-inch screen installation tutorial. First, pry the air conditioner button panel out. Unplug the cable. Unscrew for screws with a sleeve. Remove the screen. Use a towel to pad the gear to prevent scratches. Pull out the back wire. Pry out the fender next to the driver's seat. Pulling out the trend. Pry out the pedals. Here's a screw to take it out first, and then take out the baffle. Screw out the screw with a sleeve. Pry out the keypad. Pry out the trim panel. You have to pry open the baffle first. Pry out the keypad again. Pry out the trim panel. Remember to take out the two screws on the dashboard first. Remove the lid from the dashboard. Next to the co-pilot's trim panel. Bezel next to the passenger. The passenger pedal is pried out. Also, here is a screw to take out. Remove the 3 screws from the storage box. Take out the screw next to it with a sleeve. Pry out the baffles below. Here's another screw to take out first. There are also screws on the left and right sides. Remove the baffles. Continue to take the screws. Pry out the glove box. Remove the trim. Remove the trim panels on both sides of the screen. Unplug the wire. Remove the knob. Remove these buckles from the original car. Now start plugging in the wires behind the screen. Install the screen. Install the knob. You need to pay attention to install the screen here first, and then install this shelf. Otherwise, the screen will not be installed. Remember to install the buckle removed from the original car. After installing the screen and shelves, go to the air conditioner control panel. Install the cigarette lighter below. The original car screen is compared with the new screen. The effect after installation.